Alright, I'm here. Now for all my beach gear. First things first, the sled. Can't forget my donut inner tube. That's everything. Now to secure it with a bungee cord. And now it's beach time. Whoa! Look how easy she's hauling everything. Smart. Let's go! Hiking time! Ta-da! A beautiful lake. Ah! I'm falling! No! I'm soaked! Jared! Help! Betty! Hold on! I'll save you! The water was so cold! Oh, you're sopping wet. Look! My boots are filled with lake water! Listen, you've gotta take off those wet clothes. They'll only drop your body temperature. Yeah, but I'm still cold like this. Hold on. I'll think of something. I'll start a fire. Where are the matches? We can't light a fire with wet matches, Jared! Well, maybe there's something else we can use. Yes! Plastic wrap! This'll work! Okay, I'm cold enough that I'm willing to try anything. I'll just wrap you all up in it. It'll help, I promise. Can't forget about your torso. Alright, now to just cut it along the front. See? Now you have a plastic wrap jacket! Wow! It's actually keeping me warm. My hero. Okay, let's put it down together. Yes! It's beach time! Jared, wait! Hold it right there! This needs to be inflated first. What? Me? You're the one who brought it. Ugh, fine. There! It's done! Alright, now let's go! Woo! I love swimming! Huh? Oh no! It's deflating! No! It has a hole in it! Super bummer. And he's out there already having fun without me. This day is turning into a drag. Well, now what am I gonna do? Huh. This water bottle holds water in. Which means I can use it to hold air in too! I'll need to empty it and use this cord. I'll put a knot on one side of the cord. On the other side, I'll use a zip tie. For some reason, I think using zip ties is fun. I'll tighten it as far as it'll go. Perfect! That one's done. Now for some more. Time for the next zip tie. It should be nice and tight, too. There! I did a whole row of them. Who even needs a cute donut floaty? Not me, because I made my own. Time to go swimming! Whoa! What's Betty got? Nice job! I made it myself! Come on! Let's go to deeper water! I'm right behind you! Gotta make sure I pack everything. Jared, turn around so I can put this in your pack. Can't forget these eggs. Wait. Won't they just break in there? Huh. Wait a second. I think I have an idea. Time to crack a few eggs. All of them, to be precise. Now for some whisking. Done! Next up, an empty water bottle. I'll just pour the eggs inside. There we go. I didn't even spill. Now for the cap. Perfect. Eggs ready to travel. That's so weird, Betty. Sounds like someone doesn't want a camping trip omelet. Yeah, well, you could also just use a sock. You can just put the eggs inside. See? Egg socks! I'm a genius! Oh, Jared. Let me just add them to my pack. Okay, are we ready to go? Alright, the tent has been pitched. I'm pretty hungry now, though. Already? Okay, fine. I'll make something. Here's the skillet for frying. Hand over your eggs. I've got them right here. Oh. I seem to have a problem. I told you that wasn't a good idea. You've got egg socks alright. Good thing I brought my eggs. They're safe and sound in the bottle. Look, I can just pour them into the skillet. Ooh, these are nice and cooked now. This looks pretty good, right? Time to dig in! Food always tastes better when camping. It's chilly this morning. Could you speed up that fire? I'm working on it. Now it just needs some oxygen. Hold on. It's about to catch. I can tell. I just need to blow on it some more. Feeling a little bit lightheaded. Jared! Are you okay? Did you just spit water on my face? Yeah. You had passed out. Listen, take a break. Huh. Actually… Yep. I've got another idea. I'm gonna need 2 plastic bottles for this one. The one fits inside the other, just like this. To make a bellows. See? No more blowing needed. Look, Jared! It's working! Huh? What's working? Oh, look! The fire! No biggie. I just got it going. Ugh. Now I'm hot, though. This is a nice spot, right? I've got something for you, too. Okay. Open your eyes. They're so pretty! I love them! They're all yellow, except for this one. It's special. Just like you. Aw, you're so sweet. You deserve a kiss. Oh! A mosquito! It was on your face! Thanks for saving me. Back to the smooching. There's one on you now. Okay, looks like they're gone. Ouch! Ooh, me too! They're everywhere! Ugh, it's so buggy! I'm outta here! No! Betty, wait! Just hold these for a second. Look, this water bottle will save us. I'll need both halves of the bottle. As well as some bug attractant and water. I'll scoop some of this into the bottom of the bottle. And then I'll add water to it. That looks like the right amount. Then I'll put the top half of the bottle in, upside down. Done! I've made a bug trap! Betty, see? The bugs are all gone! Huh. You're right! What a relief! They fly into the bottle, and then they can't fly out. It's smooch time! Ooh, I collected a lot of sticks. We sure did! Phew, that was hard work. Water! Pass it over to me. I'm parched. Sure. Here you go. Hey! There's nothing left! You drank it all! What am I supposed to drink now? So inconsiderate. Ugh. Sorry. I'll find some more. Shoot! This one is empty too! Wait! What about over there? Looks like this is empty too. Yeah. Great job, Jared. I'll be right back. I can just use this water. It doesn't look so bad. Smells okay. Betty! I got you some water. Are you kidding me? Where did you get this? You honestly thought this was safe to drink? Oh, we have charcoal. Well, that will totally work. First, let me pour this dirty water into another cup. Gross. Like I'd want to drink that. Okay, now I've got the bottle and I need some gauze. I'll cover the bottle opening with it. And a rubber band will help keep it in place. There we go. I've cut off the bottom of the bottle. I'll fill the top half with the charcoal we have from the fire. I'll put the sand in first. Good. And next, the rocks. Not all of them, though. And then time for more sand. And I'll top it with the last rocks. Now I can put this bottle on top of the one I want to drink out of. Time to pour the water through my filter. The rocks and sand catch all the debris. And the charcoal cleans the water. Look! Here comes the cleaned water! All the water has been added and filtered. Look how much cleaner it is now! Whoa! I'm pretty thirsty. Nope. This water belongs to me. Can't I have just a little sip? Okay, fine. You did fetch it after all. Yay! And it tastes so good! Would you rather go to the beach or go camping? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!